In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and enter developer options. If you cannot find developer mode under your settings list, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode. It's quite easy and quick process, so you'll have no further troubles. And then once you are in developer mode, just scroll down a bit and here you've got demo mode. Smoothly mark it, and you can enable it by using this first switcher and then show it by using this second one. So smoothly use the switchers to activate or deactivate this system demo mode. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.